My name is Cedric. I'm a cabin crew. What motivates me, I think, is we just want to have a better knowledge on the finance as well as maybe earn more money. I was recommended by a friend. He was also a graduate from the VIA program. So I saw how well he has done for himself. So I thought it motivates me as well to join him. Favorite part, I think it must be Cayden. He himself is a very motivational speaker. He's friendly, it's very fun, so the way he conducts his class actually makes the whole class very interesting, and for us to learn, we learn better. I think the VIA funnel breaks down on the individual parts for us to do the research and then understanding on some of the financial background and the story behind the companies. This way it helps us to find out more about either the stocks or the ETF. I would definitely recommend this VIP to anyone who is interested in getting a knowledge about finance.